Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be comparing the Xiaomi Robot S20 Plus with Xiaomi Robot S10 Plus and Xiaomi S20. So by the end of this video, you will have a clear insight which one should you actually purchase and why. So as you can see that I have created this table for you so that you could see all of the features of all of these three robots in front of you so that you could decide the best one for you. So first we have the suction power, which is 4000 PA in all of the three. We have battery capacity that is also around similar, that is 5200 in S20 Plus and in S20, whereas it is less in S10 Plus with 4800. Now if we talk about the runtime, then you can get up to 180 minutes in S20 and S20 Plus, whereas only 150 minutes in S10 Plus. Now if we talk about the dustbin capacity, so you can get it over here, or you can even go through this table so that you could define which one should you actually purchase. So after considering this table, I can only say that you can choose the Xiaomi S20 Plus if you want the most advanced cleaning experience, because it combines with AI plus LIDAR for top-notch obstacle avoidance, Vibra-Rise mopping for better floor scrubbing, and longer battery life, making it ideal for larger homes or for those seeking a more efficient hand-off cleaning solution. Now you can even choose the Xiaomi S20 if you want most of the features of the S20 Plus but don't need the advanced AI navigation or the Vibra Rise mopping. Third, we have the Xiaomi Robot S10 Plus, which I would recommend to you if you are on a budget but still want a capable robot vacuum with solid performance and good suction power and basic mopping capabilities. So it's perfect for smaller spaces or those who don't require top of the line features. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.